Hey guys, the sound of food here. It's fucking early in the morning for me. Got my coffee right here. Today we're gonna be doing the sound of fucking cereal. Okay, here's the fucking bag. You hear it crinkling? Here's the fucking cereal. Ugh, fuck. Oh, cinnamon, fuck. Oh. It's like the fucking cinnamon challenge. Oh. Oh yeah. This is fucking terrible. Oh, I gotta take a drink. I'm sorry, guys. This is all I can do today. Fuck. Fucking top keck.